this video, I'm going to show you the correct way to add moderators on Twitch. This is a great way to delegate tasks and responsibilities like deleting harmful messages in chat, changing titles, or even sending off raids to trusted users in your community to ensure streams run smoothly and efficiently. First, log into your Twitch account and go to your Creator dashboard page. Click on the Community tab in the left-hand menu and open the Roles Manager. Click on the Add New button and type the username of the person you wish to assign mod to. You can also customize the permissions for your mod by selecting the appropriate options from the drop-down menu. For example, moderators can delete messages in the chat, whereas editors can raid channels for you at the end of your stream so you don't have to. Be careful who you give this permission to though, as it will also give them access to your video producer where they can edit your VODs and clips, so make sure you can trust them. Once you have finished setting up your mod, click on the Save button to finalize your changes. Your mod is now ready to help you manage your stream. You can view and edit your list of mods at any time by going back to this page. If you want to be quick, you can also type /mod username in your Twitch chat, and that will also assign that user the role of moderator. You can type /unmod username to remove them too. If you'd now like to learn how to add chat commands to your channel, then click here. Or for more tips and walkthroughs, click here. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.